Hi, I'm Kevin with Atomic Filters, and today I'm going to give you the information you need to find the correct filter. This is the Lennox X6670. This is the front side of the filter right here. The airflow goes this way from front to back. The back side has wire on the back side of the filter, so you know this is the back side, which would be facing the equipment, and this would be facing the airflow going in this way. On the sides of the filter, you'll see the nominal size of the filter. This one is 16 by 25 by 5. The actual size of the filter is below that, and that is 15 3/4 by 24 3/4 by 4 3/8. Of course, it has the Lennox part number here on the side of the filter. Also, if you look at the short side of the filter here, you can see that Lennox provides compatibility by brands. So you'll have Lennox air cleaner models here, and then the Lennox filter part here. You've got Honeywell air cleaner, and then the part number of the filter, and you have Carrier, and you have Treon as well. So this is a MERV 11 filter. There is a MERV 13 upgrade. Atomic does a MERV 11 compatible with this, and we also make a MERV 13 upgrade. Lennox does an upgrade to a MERV 16, and that would be part X6670. If you go to the Atomic website and enter X6670 in the search, it's going to come up with the X6670 and the compatibles as well as the upgrades. So let's go over to the Atomic website and take a look. To find the right X6670 or replacement that you're looking for, simply type it in search, X6670, and you're going to get the 6670, the OEM, all the packs that we do, and the compatibles. So you'll see we have the OEM 6670, you've got a 4-pack, you've got a 2-pack, and a 5-pack, and then you've got the Atomic compatibles. This is a MERV 11, which is the same efficiency rating as this filter right here. And then this one is a MERV 15, which is an upgrade, so it's a more efficient filter. And then you'll see over here, we have the X6672. This is the carbon clean, healthy climate filter, which is the MERV 16 upgrade. That's the X6672. So just choose whichever one you want of those, and if you were to choose the Atomic, for instance, you'll have the option to either, by default, it'll be on a one-time purchase, but if you do a recurring order, you can set that interval that you want it to come on, and you can say you want it every 9 months, 11 months, or 12 months, whatever it is that you want. You simply add it to cart, so you can either do it as a one-time order, or you get a 5% discount if you do it as a recurring order, and you add it to cart and then simply go to checkout here, and that's all there is to it. Click on checkout and you're all set to go. Of course, we do free shipping everywhere in the continental United States. Thank you for tuning in. Check out Atomic Filters and find some great deals on the Lennox X6670 and the compatible filters as well.